Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I wanted to share with you a very handy tool that's built into FBReader. I'm on a Chromebook Asus C302, running latest Chrome OS and running the latest FBReader. What you're looking at here is the voice to text interface. And if I click on the stop button, it will disappear. And this is a text in Russian. The text could theoretically be in almost any language, but we're choosing Russian. To activate the voice tool, you go to read aloud. And down in here, you have a bunch of settings. Settings for network use, highlighting, etc. And you go to the other one, which is voice. Now, I noticed that if I choose Google Russia, single word reading at a time does not work. Let me demonstrate what does work and what doesn't work. So let's go back. Now, if I click on this play button, hopefully something will say, the text will read.
В.
It does. Okay.
Просвещенных. И. Расслабленных.
Okay, so there we go. One of the reasons why I do the one word at a time aspect is because Russian is multi-syllabic. Some of these words are just 7, 8 syllables, and these are quote-unquote easy words in Russian, which makes them very difficult to learn, in my humble opinion. That being said, using FBReader to
Цивилизация.
read out the words makes it a little easier because I can pretty much guess what civilizatsiya means. These other words, no, which brings me to my request. First, the text aspect. This window here needs to be floating and it needs to be much smaller so as to allow users to navigate around it. Second is that when the word is highlighted, give the option for the user to give a rollover definition in a target language, whether it's Czech, Chinese, English, German, whatever. If the word is highlighted, then there should be an option for the definition or a translation of that word to pop up. Let me give you just another demonstration.
Восточного. Кольца. Галактики. Путеводитель. Вытеснил. Даже. Великую. Большую. Галактическую. Энциклопедию.
So this is big galactic encyclopedia. So this is FBReader. I hope you get a chance to use it. FBReader has a built-in text-to-speech reader, which is pretty good, but there's lots that could be done to make it better. Namely, again, highlighting on the rollover, the dictionary or translation, and make this floating, make this text-to-speech window floating and much smaller to make it easier for people to step through
качестве общепризнанного
pronunciation of individual words. Thank you for watching and happy computing.